We're letting the butterflies go.
Open it all the way up, honey, so that they can see that they can get out.
I can't.
Yeah, I think the zipper's broken. Just try to open it up as much as you can. And then just let them come out. Zipper's broken, so just open it up as much as you can and let them come out. Mommy fixed it.
Almost. Yay!
Why are they not landing on us?
You staying closer?
There's a couple in here still. There's 3 still in here.
I want to see. Oh.
Yay!
Yay!
Go down to the roof.
Honey, don't push
Yeah,
them.
don't hurt them.
They're getting extra food for them. A bird. Papa. Now I'm just so excited. I want them to land on me. Yeah.
Let it go now. Let it fly.
Honey, don't grab them.
Yay!
There's another one. Is that all of them?
Yeah, there's one. Look what's in them.
Is that all?
What?
That's everybody.
Daddy, why did none land on us? You were wrong. They don't land on us.